Many people seem to forget that nature have the cure. They are going through different situations. They forgot nature has the cure. God has put power in nature, so it's for us to use it wisely. That's why we have avocado seed. This seed, many people don't take it as anything. Anytime they eat the fruit of avocado, they throw this seed away. They are missing a lot. Hi. They are missing a lot. This seed has great benefits. It is a miracle. This seed is very beneficial for our body. Many things we've been passing through, this seed could have cured it for us, but we are ignorant of it. Listen to this video, watch this video, like this video, and share this video to others to get this benefit and to be educated about avocado seed. One thing avocado can do for you is that for you that is having joint pain or any type of inflammation, you're having arthritis, this seed can do wonders for you. This avocado seed you are seeing here, it is a wonder of nature. This avocado seed is a wonder of nature. If you don't know today. This seed can help you and eradicate arthritis, bone pain from your body. It's loaded with anti-inflammatory benefits, which it has. This seed, which you are seeing, avocado seed. And if you are going through indigestion, this seed will help you remove that indigestion which you are having, and any type of weight gain for those who are having excessive cholesterol in their body, or they want to reduce weight. This seed can help you reduce your weight. And if you are having BP, high blood pressure, for those having high blood pressure issue, avocado seed is your answer. God has blessed nature so much that nature has the cure, but we as humans, we are ignorant of it. That's why I'm bringing you this video, to educate many of you that God has placed power in nature. Avocado seed can be your answer today. It's near you. You just have to use it. Use it. If you are having high BP issue, you are having heart problem, avocado seed will help you. It will eradicate that high blood pressure which you are having. Avocado seed, for you that is having arthritis, use it today. How do you use it? For those that have oven in their house, you can prepare this thing, blend it into powder. Just get avocado seed, rinse it. You see this seed? Rinse it very well. Then you slice it into pieces, put it in your oven at low heat. Put it at low heat. Let it get dried and make sure there's no it doesn't contain water anymore. It's dried. Or you can put it in the sun for maybe 3 to 5 days if the weather is really sunny. So as for your oven, you can dry it in your oven, let it dry, then you can blend it into powder. When you blend it into powder, you can start taking a teaspoon every day for those causes which I have mentioned earlier: indigestion, arthritis, or high blood pressure. And to cleanse your heart, this avocado will do it for you. All you have to do is to get, after you've grated or blended this seed into powder, then you start taking it once a day, 1 teaspoon a day. For you that is having indigestion, just get a warm water, add 1 teaspoon into it, a cup of warm water, add 1 teaspoon into it, and drink. For you that is having arthritis, just get this, what's it called, avocado, the powder which you have blended. Make sure you get ginger tea. If you don't know what ginger tea is, it's just for you to get ginger from the market. Slice the ginger into a pot, boil, add water and boil, then take it down from the fire, add the extract into a cup. When you add the extract into a cup, which is ginger tea, maybe half level or more than half in the cup. You add this ginger, what's it called? I mean, this avocado powder into it and stir it and drink. For those having arthritis, do this morning and evening. Morning and evening. First thing in the morning and last thing at night. You see? And also for those having high BP or they are having weight gain issue and they want to reduce their weight, get this avocado seed. Get this avocado seed. The way you did it for arthritis, the way you did it for arthritis, also use it the same way like this. Just get the your ginger tea ready. Add a teaspoon of avocado powder to the to the water. Stir. Take morning, first thing in the morning before you eat anything. Before you take anything, don't take anything, just take this avocado powder and ginger. Stir. Take first thing in the morning before you eat anything at all, and last thing at night before you go to bed. So some people will say, I don't have an oven to dry the avocado seed, or there might not be sun to dry the avocado seed. You can do it in this number 2 preparation style. You can get the avocado seed, cut it into pieces. Make sure you rinse first. Cut it into pieces. Put it into your pot, a pot of water. You can add maybe 3 glass cup of water or a liter of water. It depends on how many avocado seed you are using. So add the avocado seed, slice it into pieces, put it into the pot, and boil. Make sure when you are doing this, add your ginger to it. Just add your ginger to it. For those that are having arthritis, for those that are also having to reduce weight, and for high BP. As for those that are having digestion, you can also use it like this. There's no problem in it. Just get your avocado seed, slice into a pot, and also slice some ginger into it and boil. After it boils, take the extract first thing in the morning. Make sure it's warm. First thing in the morning and last thing at night. Make sure you always warm it. Make it warm. I tell you, this will act as a miracle to you. It will reduce your weight. That arthritis which you're having, it will eliminate it. And you have to do it consistently. Don't come and tell me that you use it for 2 days, 3 days, 1 week. You are not seeing any changes. You know, arthritis in the body, it goes deep. So these herbs will do the wonder for you. All you have to do is to use it consistently. Some people have had diabetes or arthritis for more than 7 years. You can't expect miracle just in a moment, because this miracle, this seed, will fight it to the roots. So you also have to be using it consistently, and you see the miracle God will give to you. So this is the Herbalife Show. Make sure you like this video, share it to others, and make sure you follow this page. Nature has the cure, but you have to use it wisely. I will see you on that video. Take care.